What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. Today I will be repotting this Sabina Juniper over here. One of my most beautiful trees, I think, and I already have a video where a year ago I styled this tree, where I put all the wire and have this tree styled. I have three options for the pot. First one is this handmade round Japanese pot that has this nice structure to it, and the tree is very crazy, has a crazy shape, and this might be a nice fit for the tree. Another option that I also really like is this shampoo pot. It's a rectangular pot with this amazing patina and color to it. Very nice pot, one of a kind, handmade, Japanese, and this will have a more contrast with the tree, and I also really like this shape. Third option is a pot that I got from a friend, Michel. Shout out to Michel who gave me this pot. It's a very nice dark red pot, and this is a little bit in between. I think it isn't all rectangular, has this two stripe in the middle, and it has some curves on the side. So those are the three options that I got. Let me know in the comment which pot would you choose if you were to repot this tree. So I already have a lot of soil ready. So I have a mix of akadama, pumice and charcoal. And now the first step that I will do is to see how this tree is fixated. So we'll have three anchor points over here, and I have one screw here. So if you saw the previous video of this tree, you can see that the tree I bought this tree as a raw material. It is a Yamadori, which means it's from collected from the wild. It's not cultivated, and the tree was a little bit, it has a weird soil on top, looks like from a litter box of a cat or something. So, and the foliage, it's growing now strong, but it isn't very dense, so I think the repot will be necessary, because underneath this litter is kind of just a lot of organic soil. So I will first take off the screw over here. So now that I took off the screw, the next thing that I will do is to remove these wires, these green wires over here. And I'm really excited to put this tree in a new pot. I think it will look amazing regardless which pot this tree will go into. This one I have prepared. You can see I have the mesh on top, but the more I look at this pot, the more I think it will be very difficult to anchor the tree properly. And this pot I really like, the shampoo one, but when I was looking at it, it's quite narrow for the wideness of the tree. It feels a little bit too small for the tree, and I don't know, it didn't feel right once I look at it. And the third option I did prepare, which is this one. So I put all the mesh on it and I have the wires ready. So alright, I think I have the tree loose in the pot. So now I will try to take it out. Looks like this tree was planted with compost, with soil, and with some kind of litter box soil. I have some very strange situation going on. I have this root crossing over here. I don't know if you can see it. I need to disentangle this root. I'm not cutting this off yet. I might need, because I don't have a lot of roots on this tree. I have one root over here, looks kind of a root going down, kind of a tap root. I don't think it's a tap root, but it goes like straight down. It has almost no roots on it at all. This will be the first one that I will be cutting off. Alright. I have taken care of all the soil. Good thing about this tree, I can lay this tree down like this, and then I can take a look at the last part. And disentangle also this part over here. I think the round plate will look really nice. I might be able to get it. So because I have so little roots, I think I might be able to fit in the first pot. So now I have to make sure I engineer this in a way that the tree will be completely fixated without moving inside this pot. I'm quite sure I can fit the roots here that I have, and now it's just a matter of engineering the way to figure it out. So what I will use is a block. Okay, now take the screw, Right, so now I secured the block. Now I'm going to put the tree aside again. And now I'm gonna place a layer of soil underneath. So I'm almost there. Now I need to fill it with the soil. I cannot do anything anymore at this point. I'm just gonna fill it with soil. That will also create stability. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are with the end result. I was so concentrated that I didn't saw when the battery went off or when the camera ended. But after I secured the tree, I tightened up the last places on this side, because here I filled first all the air pockets with ground, with the soil, and now I put the top layer of sphagnum moss on top of it, moss, and I water it 2 times truly, as you can see. And now it's up to the tree to recover, and the aftercare of juniper like this is to spray with the water on the foliage and make sure the tree doesn't get full sun. Put the tree on the shadow for the coming days so that the tree completely recover. So I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. See you then the next time in Bonsai Den Haag. Thanks a lot for watching.